I know they said never to go that way, but I have to. What the?
Hey, kid, stop! No, stop. It's okay, it's okay. I'll put the gun away.
Who are you?
Long story. There's no time.
Wait,
your parents died.
I was about to say you're the person last seen with them before they died.
I saw them die.
You're a murderer.
I'm not a murderer. Can I tell you something, kid? Kid.
What?
Hey. See that over there?
Yeah.
There's this big, giant spider in there, and it killed your parents. I got a few bites, but I didn't die, sadly.
We're gonna go kill it.
What? Kid, no! Kid! Kid! Wait! Here, let me buy you a rocket. They're really safe. But first, we need to get you to training. Let's go.
Tech tree? Why?
First, let's get you a backpack. You need a backpack.
I always keep one in handy. It's up here.
Yeah, get that.
Right next to all my pizza.
Want to put everything in there.
Including the rocket?
Yes. I'm also gonna teach you how to shoot, okay?
Alright. Why would we go to Tech Tree?
The thing is, I was the one who made these. So.
You made Tech Tree?
Yeah. Crazy. You good?
I'm fine.
When I get you there, I'm out. Both.
You mean where? Both?
This used to be my neighborhood. Volcano erupted, and somebody exploded for some reason. They exploded their whole town.
So then you transferred it into a digital realm?
Yeah. It looked like this, but not before. It was a huge, beautiful tree. We called it the Free Tree. Over there, it's just a mountain that we would climb every single day for fun. And then, there was that building where every single parent or anybody who was old enough who could have a job went there.
And it crashed.
Yep.
At least
somebody exploded the log. Somebody wanted to be weird and they dropped a grenade on the volcano, which we didn't know was a volcano.
I think I have a feeling I know who it is. I just don't know yet.
I don't know who did it either, but the thing is, I worked there, and so did your parents.
Then we explore there to find mysteries.
It's a big mystery there.
I guess we should use our rockets.
When the explosion happened, that's when I was at work. Me and your parents were really good friends as kids, and we worked at the same job site. The reason why I called it a job site instead of like the working job sites, the reason why is because I had to invent stuff. This is where your rocket comes in handy. Come over here. You're gonna use this. Use it. You're gonna wall run, and then... You up there, kid?
Yeah, I'm here.
Okay, never jump down. That's why I'm gonna help us get down. Just grab onto this, okay?
It's like this is the mainframe. Wait a minute.
This is where they got all of our stuff. Your parents made that.
Wait a minute. This is a computer. He's behind it. He's just frozen in time. This is a frog. That means frogs are evil. A frog must have started it.
It wasn't him.
Alright, Alright, you get out first. I'm not gonna do anything shady.
It's fine, kid. You're good. A little scary once you fall off, but...
No, I blew it all up. All of it's gone. We have to get out of here now.
Run! Just jump. You'll be fine. Fine. I'm close to dying, but I'll stay alive as long as I
Can't
can.
lose you. I can't
Run!
We need to destroy this machine. No.
Dang it. I'm out of ammo. I got an idea. Watch out.
No.
I made these. Me and your mom and dad.
I made this one when I was young.
Need this.
I made this out of a red light, green light monster. It should do work.
It's
Now
not
we
gonna help,
run.
kid.
Go! Where are you? Where are you? Polar bear. Polar bear. Polar bear.
Kid, where are you? Watch out. It's okay.
Polar bear. No. Polar bear. No. 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 Yeah. Oh, this is day entry, whatever. 300 some, I don't know. And this might be my final entry. Journey with me.